we go to the live app, we create a game and let's have a second player join. Okay, let's try it again. That's not working at all. Okay, WebSocket is closed. WebSocket. So it's not connecting to the API. Refresh, looks like follow a broken link or enter URL that doesn't exist. So the issue is when we go to a route, like /game and then whatever the game name is, we get this page not found, and that's not ideal. But separately, our API is just not up, and we're unable to connect, so nothing will work. Uh-oh. Say jar. All right, well, that's a different issue that I'll debug separately. But if we go to localhost, we can see if I enter this URL, there is no error. We just come to the lobby. So it's going to be a little bit of guessing to figure out what is the actual bug, because we can't reproduce it locally. So I'm going to look at this code and just suss it out. So first off, this is the path where there is a game name, and we are rendering props. There's this div called lobby, and we're going to either show the waiting room or we will show an active game container. So maybe instead of doing that, I don't really like it. Let's have route, separate route path equals. No, actually, that's okay. We can keep that. So if we, let's say, bypass that, then we go to the home page, which is the lobby. Okay, so maybe what we want, if someone goes through direct URL, is to go to the lobby, and we just show the game that is available, or well, the game that's in the URL. So like, since this URL says share line awesome, then we'll just show only this one and ignore all of these. I think that might make sense. Yeah, let's try doing that. So game instead of returning this div, let's have an if statement. Why is that not allowed? Route. So that's the closing now. So we want it here. Return there. Okay, there. So let's do an if statement. If game.count equals 0. Let's first separate out the game in session and label, because I'm not a fan of how this is jumbled together. If class name equals game in session, greater than game in session. So basically it's this, and I'll just remove some stuff. If return this, lobby take okay, so just lobby gaming session. Yeah. Alright, to be count 0 0, okay. So this is not necessary anymore. Save that, and let's do parentheses there. Enter else. Save that. Then I put in a clipboard. Oh, big count. Okay, so this will be the other case. If game.count triple equals 0. And then we'll return this. Let's we need to remove some stuff. Oh, back up. So return what is this? Oh, so I need to go on this whole thing. Hit enter here, save that. Okay, this will be lobby waiting. And we could delete this. We could delete that. This whole thing actually. We can delete that. And that. Or actually not. Okay. Data player somewhere. Maybe what I could do is cut that and put that here. And I could delete this. Okay. So let's do the same exact thing as before, just cleaner. And I did no save here. And now we want a different condition where if game count is greater than 0. So if game count is greater than 0 and game.count greater than 0 and game.players, right? Here's the game, 1 second. So the game has worst name URL days. Whatever. Okay, so days. Okay, so today dot players dot some player dot name equals to current player dot name. So if game count and not player, so you're not in the game and you enter this URL, you should go to lobby. Return lobby. The only thing is we would filter the game list. Game list. So let's create const game equals game list dot copy game list first. Filter game dot force name triple equals to wait. Game dot force name. No, let's call this GM. GM dot force name triple equals to game dot force name. And then game found. There we go. Place it in game list. Alright, let's try that. So if I hit enter now, it should just filter stuff out. It did not. Okay. Let's see. So let's console log game found. Make a new game. Let's say wrong chocolate will go on. Oh, it broke the waiting room. Uh-oh. Game count greater than, so it should hit this case until 19. Game count, let's put console as an alternate. Let's see. Well, game count didn't have anything from there. Console. Switch in. Okay, none of the above. Fascinating. Today.players. So what is today.players? Alright, what is today? Fine. There we go, players. CID. Loads ID village was. Oh, okay. Name is one. So today I'll play some player.name, current player.name, label, game.count triple equals 0. What is game.count? Game.count undefined. Oh, it's not game.count, it's today.count. So this needs to be today, and then that's just fix that. And if we look at this, that will confirm. Yeah, it was today.count. Okay. So let's create another white emerald a little bit. Cool name. So we're in a waiting room. We're in the game session. Everything looks as it should. Let's have someone jump into this room. I'll try to jump into this room. So it's supposed to filter stuff out, but that didn't happen. So let's see. Today.count greater than 0. Well, I guess it doesn't matter what the count is. There's some there. So let's get you over here. It's not about this, so we could remove that. And today.players, so like if you're not in the game, then we will render this thing. Okay. So that looks familiar. That's that, basically. Yeah. So you are in the game, then it will show where you are. If you're not in the game, it will show a lobby. Game list should be those singular keys. So let's create a game. Copy this URL. This is the URL. Nothing. Oh, okay. What's the content log? That's not allowed. Oops, I'm just saying this. But. Half game forcing place for your prompts. Game. Yeah. It might be undefined. I think about it. Probably is undefined. Okay. So let's create a shared box account. And I visit. Oh, nothing. Let's preserve logs. Here we go. Connect to server. Data, action, payload. Game is null. Okay. So today must be null also. These logs aren't even happening. That means I'm going to go directly to this path. Alright, time to console this. Do I even console that? Just wow, yeah. Okay. So undefined. Oh wow. Okay, that makes a lot of sense. There's no game graph force. So none of this is happening. So, start state. Create ID. So what happens when you first join? You get data and payload game is null. Well, if game is null, we can't do much. I mean, we could pretend like that's the game. Yeah, I guess. Forcing, so component div now. We could do. Let's pull location off of props. Straight. Location. Props. What is this? Okay. Try to replace. Is there props? I found there is. Let's just another tab. History. Yeah. Okay. Interface. History. Here. And then component did mount has location, I hope. So we could just confirm that exists. History is missing and type but required in read only. Oh. History. So it's not receiving history. Those. Let's delete that. Let's think about this. So if I can't do it here, where can I do it? In render, we have route and then props. So props is here. Let's see. So there's no way of accessing whatever this is. Oh boy. So this is basically /game/undefined. That's not good. And it doesn't have access to props. I mean, there's window.location, I think. Yeah, we could do that. Let me just confirm that. Console.log. No location. Window.location. Okay, so here's location. And I want path name. Path name. So what I could do is take this here and do a const path name equals, hold on, shoot, I messed up. Oops. There, whole thing. And this could go back in there. Do what? Path name equals that. If no game. Actually, better yet, if game, then path name equals this. If no game, so path name will equal to this. So like that. And then we will use path name here. And I guess in this case, it's not really path name, right? So let's like URL. That will solve our problem. Let's test it. It's a lot of red. Ooh, not good. 128. Players.sum. What? I didn't even touch that. Something's undefined. Players of undefined. So today is undefined. That means our URL is working, which is good. So if first name of 129. So game dot first name. Okay. If today dot players some game first name. So there's no such thing as game, right? It's just window location path name. So const. I guess I can do that here. Oh, let's look at game found. What is game found? Nothing. That's not good. Well, whatever. We'll come back to that. Const. Let's move up one. Const. Game forest name equals to URL dot split, I think. Oh, URL, I didn't catalog it. Okay, whatever. So I think it's going to be split in one. And then game forest name will come here. Okay. Let's console log that. And console log that. Okay. Game forest name is game, so that's not right. I wanted index 012, so 2. Game found is empty array, that's not right either. Okay, URL is good. Game forest name is good. Game found is not good. Unless shared moccasin cattle is no longer a thing. Yeah, it is not. Okay, so let's create old blush mole. And if I were to go to this one, nothing. Oh, darn. Okay, so what's going on? Game found is not working. Game forest name gm dot forest name triple equals game forest name. That makes sense. And game forest name is old blush mole. Old blush mole. That's good. Let's look at game list. Don't need that. Don't need that. Okay, so let's just go to regular localhost. There's nothing here. We have running Emerald Lion. Go to localhost. Uh-oh. We lost the original functionality, so there are no games ever. That's bad. Game list, game found, game whatever. So it looks like we are hitting this stuff, even though hold on, URL is a slash. Oh, of course. So this is just gonna always be a slash. Oh, that's not good. If game if okay, need some idea. So we have this route that should be reading /game farce name replace. So maybe what I want is this game farce name instead of URL to be up there. So let URL equals, that's not even, okay, I guess. Let's just say path name. So path name, and this is path name. Path name, if game, then replace it. Let path name equals that. Game farce name equals path name split 2. And okay, so if game path name equals that, game dot farce name. Game farce name is basically that. If game, so let's do constant URL equals this isn't working. What path name? Let's go back here. So if there is a game, then we don't need to use that at all. If there is not a game, then we need to rely on the URL. So by default, path name should be this. Right? And then if there's not a game, then path name would be that. Okay. If there's not a game, but then path name could be a slash. And if path name is a slash, then we have a problem. Yeah. Oh boy. Well, let's save and see how this goes. Okay, so let's first go to home. Here we create on Blue Gorilla. We refresh this page. On Blue Gorilla should show up. It does not. Okay, so gameless, it's there. Game force name is undefined. Game found is empty, which means we came in here. We should not come in here. So I'm thinking it's because path name is a slash. If not game and node location dot path name not equal to slash. Okay. So now it's undefined, which is okay, actually. All right, there. So this is showing up, that's better. What happens if someone names their game undefined? I could test that out real quick. You could just make a game, call it undefined. Okay, and then let's go to localhost. All right, that's allowed. That's good. So next up, what if I came here? So this is the bug. We have aimless game found, nothing. So game force name is national 10 llama. And we can now delete that. We can keep that. Game found should have got it, but it didn't. So let's look at game list and forest name national 10 llama. How is it not working? Game found game list.filter gm.forest name. Oh, interesting. Let's console log here. Forest name and also forest name we had. So let's just move you in here. Great. Coffee sparrow. Okay, cool. Oh, the space. Wow. Okay. gm.forest name needs to not be like that, but rather dot replace gm.forest name dot replace equals game forest name. I think that will do it. So we've got tragic sapphire links. Let's do a refresh here. Okay, and goldfish. So now if I want to go to traffic sapphire links, well, first let's go to home, or two games. Let's now go to traffic sapphire links. There's one game, perfect. And now if I want to go to dependent chocolate goldfish, there's one game. And can I join it? Yes, I can. Can we play? Yes, we can. Okay. So what if I go here in the middle of the game? Still okay. I could join as a spectator. I hope. No. Darn. Okay. Close. Very close. 132. Cannot read property symbol dot iterate. What does that mean? 132. Not sure. Let's look at our log. Undefined is not iteratable. So gm.forest name is undefined, I guess. gm.forest name. Wait, what line was it? 132. Game found equals. Yeah. So maybe let's still have a question mark. Let's try this again. Oh, actually, we should also do a check for, we should say game not found or something like that if they have a URL that's incorrect. So, what to do? We could do const is game exists equal not game list, but some gm.forest name dot replace / g. Okay, is game exist? Triple equals game forest name. So if game does not exist, then we want to return this, but not game container. No, we want to return lobby, but not game container. Okay. Maybe we pass this down as a prop. Or maybe we could do it as an else if. And then we could do an if is game exists. If game does not exist, then we want to return div maybe h4 game does not exist. Okay. Yeah, let's pass that down as a prop. I take that back. So we could pass that into the lobby. Lobby will receive it. Boolean. Okay, and structure it. And if that, then you do something different. So instead of game list, we would have this. Back up. Yeah. If not game exists, and we will show each 4 was good, game not found. Okay, okay. What's this? But required. So we can say, oh, okay, app 153. Oh, I see. Okay, maybe instead of game not found, because they specify Harlan Quinn rabbit not found. Game not found. So this can be that game color window location.path name index2. That didn't do anything. Window.location.pathname2. Maybe just window.location.pathname. Oh, it says A. Yeah, I need to do split. Pathname.split on slash and then 2. Game specified Harlan Rabbit not found. Quotation mark. And I kinda want some spacing. Let's inspect. So there's that, and there's that. That's that. Maybe gameless needs some better height. Yeah. Lobby. Gameless height. 100%. And do anything. Okay. Lobby. Game list. And then we've got lobby needs the full height. Actually, that's what it is. 100%. Still no. Lobby 100 for view height. Okay. Was 100 too much? Yes, it was. Undo that. So maybe that shouldn't be in game list. Yeah, I feel like it shouldn't be in game list. Lobby, data, game list. This needs to move here. Create game form, yeah. So this can get its own CSS now. We should probably give it some kind of ID. Doesn't look very nice. Maybe. If it's not found, this could just be here, and then we'll just render all the games, and we can center it still. Yeah, let's do it like that. So if we're gonna do it like that, then do I want to move it into game list? No, that's a separate thing. So we will just do H4, lobby H4 text line center. Okay, and then in app, instead of filtering all of them, game found. So I could add a condition here that says, is game exist? That way, if it does not, we will show all of the games. Oh God. Okay. 136. Today.count. 136. Okay. Oh. Whoops. Back up, back up. So I think I just need to change game found. Yeah. Let game found equal game list. And then we could do an if here. If not, if is game exists, then we will do game found equals filter. Game list filter. Okay. I don't need these plugs anymore. Wow, this is pretty nasty. Okay, so it should show all the available games, but I don't think there are any. So let's create some. Oh, game undefined not found. Oh boy. Game undefined not found. Okay. So this is that game forest name not equal to undefined. I hate this. Maybe this can just be game forest name. And then could remove this. Could remove all of this. Okay. And then over here, we will instead have /game forest name. And his game exist. Game found. And game forest name. Not equal. Undefined. Yeah. No. Oh, actually, right here. Path name split. Not found. Game not exist. Game undefined not found. This game not exist. Game forest name. So this is undefined. Oh my goodness. Game first name. Replace first, whatever. Okay. Well, let's rethink this. So let's start off with, let's create a game. Oh boy. 121, there's an error. Dot some gm.forest name dot replace. So we can't do that. Gm triple equals. Okay. What is symbol operator and what is this? Undefined is not iterable. Oh, 121. 121. Gem.forest name. Game list. Gem. Forest name dot split. Maybe it's this one. Gem dot forest name dot replace. Game found. That doesn't look good. 121 again. Undefined is not iterable. Is gameless undefined? GM forest name replace. No. Who's undefined? I don't know. Maybe let's just get rid of that. What am I even trying to do? So we've got this game, and if we go here, game undefined not found. Okay. So basically, what if I wanted to join this game? That's not allowed because 121. This game exists is just kind of broken. Okay. What if instead of dot replace I did dot split? And you're just space and then dot join. No. Triple equals, I don't know. So like game list dot sum. Who's undefined? Game list. GM. First name. But if that's defined, then that's defined. I don't know. Symbol iterator. What does that mean? Undefined is not iterable. Okay, I'm just going to delete that, and we can worry about this later. So let's delete that. And that means we delete this. And delete that, delete that. And then down here, also delete that. Okay, so if we create a game, there's that. And if I join the game, there's that. If I visit the game like this, there's that. If I create another game, there's that. And then I go to localhost, and there's two of them. Let's join this game, visit this game. Oh, I should only show this, but not that. Spotless copper pike. All right. Let game force name. If no game and window.location.path name not equal to that, game force name equals to whatever. So let's console log that. And route will be /game, game force name, render props, game found equals game list. If no game, or if game first name, then game found equals game list, and filter gm, where gm dot force name triple equals game force name. Any games found. Wait. Okay. Display games is better. Display games. Okay. Let's see. So if we go to localhost now, there are two. I'm going to take that and go here. Uh-oh. Oh, I have to do a listing, not replace. Okay. So I should only see one. Yes. Okay. So what happens if I put something that's incorrect? Nothing will will show up, which is not ideal. So if nothing shows up, then that's a problem. If game force name filter, if game force name, what is game force name? Game force name is that. Game force name and game list dot some gem dot force name. Oh no, it's this thing again. I think this is a bug that will say dot replace triple equals to game force name. So there's that. And then copy, paste. Okay. Looks like we're on a better track. Oh yes, okay, nice. Expected grade badger should show 1. Yes. Okay, cool. So I just need some kind of indicator that this does not exist. I think I could do it from lobby directly. So I know the URL and I have the game list. So I could do something like right here. Game list dot some gem dot force name forest name dot replace this one triple equals to node dot location dot split on the slash path name dot split on the slash at index 2. And if you don't find that, then we will have a page for that says let's create a const. This is game forest name equals that game forest name. So we're in here. Game found. Okay. So undefined should not be an option. Game forest name not equal undefined and create. Create. Oh. Undefined. Game forest name. Undefined. What is game forest name here? That is undefined. Maybe it's the actual literal undefined. Game forest name and. Yes, okay. Here we go. So if I create a game, yeah, not found yet. It's better. Visible goldfish. Visible goldfish. And if I go back, okay, that's good. If I create a new one, and let's go to visible goldfish. Very nice. All right, that's all doing what it's supposed to do now. Let's try joining as a spectator. I think that was the last thing. I think this is still broken, actually. No, it works. Okay, cool. So 3 or not. Oh, yeah, no. 129. App 129. Okay. 129. Interesting. Oh, so if this is undefined, then you can't do it. Okay. You can't spread operate something that's undefined. That makes sense. So that. Okay, so create. And let's just start it. Okay, that looks good. Nice. Okay, everything is working as expected. This is great. I think there's only one slight thing selected. Should be clickable or something like that. Oh yeah. Oh, okay. That's cool. All right. I have no gripes. Never mind. I'm happy. Oh wait. I think it was here. Yeah. So I want cursor pointer on that. So small, but that will be the last of it. Where is that? Tools, container, SCSS. Selected. Okay, over here, let's do cursor pointer. What is this? Choose card. I think that's fine. here, cursor pointer. Yeah. Okay. Sweet. So let's look at our diff. We added text line, yeah. Oh, wait, go back. What is different here? Margin auto Z1. Okay, whatever. We could put the same area at least. And then what about app? App. We got first name, path game, first name. We could totally pass that as a prop if I wanted to, but I'm not going to. Okay, so we refactored some stuff. Okay, this is if we want to show the lobby of the URL's first name, and this is if game is in session. Wait, maybe we should swap these two, that makes more sense. So count equals 0, we'll go here. And then game in session comes third. Lobby, waiting room, game in session. That makes the most sense. And then we have the default case where you just go to the lobby. And that's that. That makes sense. Let's go to lobby. We're checking for if there is no such game. So your URL is wrong. Okay. Add that. Tool container. Oh, cursor pointer. Done. We should probably check out branch. Okay, check out branch. 216 missing active game URL crashes at. Web 216. Is it active? All right, get commit, yeah, feature fix. Game visit active game lab. Charge and head. This turned out to be harder than I wanted it to be. 216. And the other thing was the API is down. I gotta look into that next. So that's that for this feature. Turned out that took longer than I expected. Sorry, I felt like I went in circles around that one. But thanks for sticking around. And if you have any questions, then just comment below and I'll try my best to answer them. Also, if you like what I'm doing, then hit the like, subscribe, and hit the bell. I'll see you in the next one.